We have Neil and Trina with us. Hi, how you doing? How hot is it?
It's really hot, but today we are really excited as well.
Tell us about your outfits a little. You all are twinning very beautifully. Whose idea was it?
So we are wearing our brand only.
Okay.
Like, we are wearing cloth, and we thought that this is the best place, to make something for our brand and to
Yeah.
twin. And red and white is one of two of our favorite colors. So yeah, we thought of doing this.
Yes.
So we're here for Milkshake Murders, of course. Ek to bole fellow, how was the experience shooting abroad, shooting together?
I don't think that we were really shooting. It was more of a vacation, a trip for us with friends.
Right.
And মাঝখানে মনে ছিল যে একটু কাজ করছিলাম আর কি, যখন রিঙ্গোদা রেগে যেত তখন মনে হতো কাজ করতাম. Otherwise, never really felt that we were shooting.
Yeah, like it was like a family traveling plus working together. It was just fantastic, the overall experience, because this is the first web series I shot.
Right.
So it was a very different experience for me, coming with a lot of baggage of the small screen to web series. So
Right.
got along with Ringoda, Indrila, with the whole team.
And also I must say that shooting on the phone was also the first time for him, because I have done one with Ringoda prior.
Right.
So he was very skeptical যে ফোনে শুট হবে.
Yeah, because ফোনে
আমি
মানে
কি
আমরা
করবো?
এগুলো বানাই ফোনে একটা ফুল ফ্লেজেড মানে একটা এত যেটা বলে আমরা চকচকে ছবি আসতে পারে আই রিয়েলি কান্ট ইমাজিন সো মানে হ্যাটস অফ টু রিঙ্গোদা for making me believe that this is possible, because trust me, this is the future.
Little also about travel. So what are you people? Are you mountain people? Are you beach people? What is it?
We're not traveling. I think both works for us.
Yeah, but
Depending on the mood.
yeah, winters I like to go to the sea beaches, and during summers I like to hit the mountains.
Yeah,
Is it the same for you?
yeah, same. We love traveling.
Right.
Like it depends that we are always in the mood for Thailand. That's different.
And this
All of us.
full shoot has been done in Thailand.
Right.
So if you watch the whole web series, you will see beautiful places.
Any particular go-to destination which y'all are sitting and then y'all go like you want to travel and this is the place that first always pops up? in your
Thailand.
And because it's just like 2 hours from here and just so welcoming and so relaxing.
Any particular anecdote from Thailand which just remains maybe from the shoot or otherwise as well?
I think for me it has been a visit to that island. What was the name of the island? Krabi, Fifi. Yeah, so we went for a trip at Fifi Island. I think for me it was the most beautiful experience of Thailand till now.
And during the shoot, I think another place which we shot was in
I
Kolan.
was not there, sorry.
So that was a beautiful place, because that's a secluded, like people just go for day visits, but we stayed there to shoot. So it was a beautiful, lonely island, and I loved that place.
Lonely Island, Shorov and Neil had their own
Two
moments.
guys chilling together,
Two guys
going
chilling.
for bike rides. So it was fun.
Right, that's lovely. So I mean, do you guys pack a lot or y'all have some bickering over compact korte hobe?
Oh
No.
God, the
We're
amount.
always paying excess baggage.
Always. And he packs more.
He packs more or he packs small?
He packs more. More or equal.
Such a beautiful weather.
Another thing, in India, what is that place you guys really like going to?
Goa.
Yeah, Goa. Also, we went to Leh recently, and I think we
It's
loved
a
it.
beautiful place, yeah.
It's beautiful.
No comparison, but if you tell me a go-to place where
Yeah,
I can
that's
visit
Goa. That's
like every month, once a weekend or something like that, so that'll be Goa, because it's fun, it's just relaxing, just dip into the beach and chill.
So being travel enthusiasts, 3 tips for people who maybe want to start traveling or it's their first international trip. What would be the 3 tips that from Neil and Trina?
My first tip will be that we all have Google, YouTube and everything. Do a thorough research.
Right.
Because we love to travel, you should not miss the best places.
And I also think that you should just explore more. And it's good if you just, explore it by yourself and not take any guide or anything like that. That is my thing. I'm not too like a person who really likes to travel with a tourist guide or touristy. I like traveling by myself, explore places by myself. I think that's very exciting for me.
And the third and last tip, go with people with whom you can vibe together.
Exactly. That's
Most
very,
important.
very
Most
That happened
important.
during the shoot as
Very
well.
important.
Yeah,
Yes,
we're
yes,
still
yes.
vibing.
What can the audience expect out of Milkshake Murders?
A lot of things, and it's a like full-on thriller, and I think the way it has been shot and the way it has been presented by Ringoda I think people will actually love it. So I'll expect all the love from every viewer. Please go watch it on Click.